Today on the menu we have Omo Tuo kwai, that's rice balls and peanut soup. This peanut is not the regular peanut, so guys, I want you to relax whilst I take you through how to make this sumptuous peanut soup that you will love. Let's get right into it. Let me introduce you to the two major ingredients I'll be using for this recipe. Here I have my leafy green and it's called alehu. That is the market name. Alehu or alefu, that is the local market name in Ghana. You can as well use any leafy green of choice. You can replace this with the garden eggs leaves or any other leaf you prefer. Next, our major ingredients here is our peanuts. These are not roasted peanuts. These are dried unroasted peanuts. This is what we're using for this recipe. So first, I'm going to be adding this into the blender, and I'm going to save a bit of it for later, which I'll be showing you what I'll be doing with it. Then next, I'll be adding some calabash nutmeg into it. Top it up with a bit of water and blend it into a beautiful paste just like this. So without wasting my time, let's jump right into the cooking process. Today I'll be doing so much talking, so just relax and enjoy the process. Before I start making the soup, I am going to now put my rice on fire. Then I can now concentrate on making the soup. So this, you have to put lots of water because you want the rice to be extremely soft. In the pot, we are going to be adding some vegetable oil. Then we're going to be adding some chopped onions. You're going to saute this for some few minutes. Then you're going to add your tomato pepper mixture. Then you're going to stir this and allow it to cook for some few minutes. So yes, I had to go back and check on my rice, topped up some water, then allowed it to continue cooking. Back to my soup base, I'm going to be adding my blended peanuts. The peanuts we blended earlier, so I'm going to be adding it at this stage. This recipe is actually very easy and very fast to make. So you're going to add this and give this a very good stir. Then you're going to be topping it up with water. Then you cover it and allow it to cook properly. I hope you remember the peanuts we reserved earlier. So here is it. I'm pounding it, and I want to break the nuts into a bit of chunks. So this is how the peanuts are supposed to be. We are just crushing them. I prefer my rice balls very soft because they tend to harden when they sit for long. It's now time to add the crushed peanuts. Don't worry about the peels. Those are extra source of fiber and nutrients. Next, I'm adding some locust beans, that's dawa for that extra local aroma. Next, I added my proteins, and that's mackerel and dried catfish, or should I say smoked catfish, however you call it. Then some seasoning. Next to go in is our chopped aleho. And if you are here with me till this point and you haven't yet subscribed, please do well to hit the subscribe button. Thank you. And if you're a returning subscriber, I appreciate your continued support. Thank you so much. I cannot thank you enough. Kindly drop your thoughts in the comment section. Let me know, have you tried this before? If you haven't, are you going to try it? Loves, at this point, our soup is ready to be served. This came out extremely delicious. Finally, it's time to dive into the food. And guys, thank you so much for watching, and catch you in my next one. Until then, stay safe and bye for now.
Yummy! So delicious!